Hi, I'm John with Aimco Manufacturing. Today we're going to be working with a vacuum tool with adjustable cups mounted on a Konecrane air balancer. To begin, line up the part and align the vacuum cups in an area not covered by a hole. Once 18 inches of mercury has been achieved, the tool is safe to lift the part. When the part is in the air, it cannot be dropped by one button. The vacuum off button alone will not drop the part. To set the part down, pull the common trigger in conjunction with the vacuum off button. Then raise up. This end tool is equipped with float mode. To turn it on, engage the vacuum, lift the part in the air, and flip up the balance switch, and the part can now be manipulated by moving or putting pressure on the end tool. To disengage float mode, flip the switch back down. And then you can control the up-down motion with the up-down pendant. For this part, the vacuum cups are in a wider out configuration, but the functionality of the end tool is the same. Lower down the tool. Turn on the vacuum. Once 18 inches of mercury is achieved, you can raise the part. The handlebars are mounted on telescoping rails. They can be pulled out to adjust for different parts and different configurations. The tool is equipped with adjustable sliders to adjust the vacuum cup configurations. The vacuum cups can also be positioned in the Y direction. Thank you for watching, and for more product videos, please visit aimcomanufacturing.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.